Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Wagwan peeps. Welcome back to Triple D TV. This is what's going on in my neck of the hood. We having a big snowstorm this morning. No work for me. Lucky for me, no work. This is what's going on, man. This is the days that I miss Jamaica. Miss sitting on the beach with a nice cold red stripe beer in the morning or in the day. This is what, man. This is it. Big snowstorm today. Watch your people. Watch your... Check this out, my viewers and subscribers. Triple D TV. Snowstorm in my neck of the wood. Check it out. You hear the winds? Them urge us to stay off the road today. Very slippery, very dangerous. So this is what's going on Triple D TV. Triple D TV reporting live and direct from Long Island, New York. This is the winter storm of 2021. Triple D not have no work. Triple D not have no work. Triple D going back to bed. Triple D going back to bed. Triple D going back to bed. That's it, man. Going back to bed. Check it out, my peeps. Check it out. First storm of 2021. Whoa. It's crazy. Jano. This one are rough to blow. Whoa. People, you guys out there, stay blessed, stay safe. If you have to deal with this and you have to go out in the snow today, just stay safe and stay blessed. And remember, your attitude will determine your altitude. So stay blessed, stay safe. Stay safe. Triple D says, walk good and be safe.